Now, your feet and your blocks. Just take a look first. This is what you're going to look like. Looking like a rectangle between your blocks and your feet. Now, we're going to count to 5, and then we will, on that count, we're raising up slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, till you're all the way up. Then we're 5, count down. 5, count up. 5, count down. Then the third time, we're all the way up and we're holding, we're strengthening our feet. And from there, you're going to bring it down to the knees. The toes are going to stay up. And we'll wind up in this position.